dear customers, this is Casey from Guangzhou Jewelry Company. You are welcome to visit our booth. So in our booth, you can see various zipper, such as this is the metal zipper, okay? And this is the plastic zipper, and this is a metallic plastic zipper, and also such as this the waterproof zipper, and silver zipper color rainbow colorful zipper, okay? And the various way nylon zipper for suitcase or trolley bag or lady bag, computer bag. Today, I want to introduce our newest. This is a double layer nylon zipper. So we can see this is a double layer nylon zipper, 2-layer nylon chain. And the testing nipple, you can see it's for flat print strength is more than 800 Newton. This one is a standard one. And the result is 1353 Newton. And for the reciprocation fatigue testing, standard one is 600 times, but this one is more than 3,000 times.